Hi, in this Avanti Neurons for ITSM video, you will learn how to create, import, and handle packages. Packages simplify data migration between tenants, whether from staging to production or across applications. Instead of transferring the entire application, you can select specific data for transfer, offering greater flexibility and control during migration. Here we will learn how to create a project, define business objects, package them, assign and export. Second, import packages into another tenant, validating for errors and verify it. Finally, learn to import large packages. Log in to ITSM as an administrator. Click here to open the configuration console. Go to Build, Development Project and click Projects. Click New Record to create a project. Enter a project name for an example test project and click Save. Click Refresh, and select Test Project from the drop-down to keep created objects within the chosen project. Go to Build and click Business Objects to create fields. Click New Object. Click Standalone Business Object. Enter a name for the business object, for an example test BO. The display name defaults to this, then click Save. Go to Fields tab, click Add New to add a field. Click Text. Enter field name and display name for text, such as test text. Click Save. Click Yes to confirm. Let us add an other text field to the package. Click Add New. Click Boolean. Enter Boolean name, say, Test Boolean. Click Save. You can view the created field names. Next, create a package to bundle project elements, business objects into a portable unit. Navigate to Development Package and click Packages. Click New Record. Enter a name, such as Test Package, and click Save. Navigate to Development Project and click Projects. Click Assign to Package to allocate this to the created package. From the drop-down menu, select the test package and click OK. Click Refresh to view the package. You can view the business objects added to this package. To add more, click Add Change Set. To remove a package from this list, select it and click Remove from Package. Click Yes to compact size, then confirm to export. Let's see how to import this package in another tenant. Log in as an administrator to the tenant where you wish to import the package. Navigate to Development Package and click on Packages, just as you did in the previous tenant. Click Import Package. Click Browse and select the package. Click Preview Impact to see the details of the package you have imported. You can view the details. We recommend clicking on Validate before importing the package in tenant to check for any errors. Select Validate, then click Execute. Click Yes to confirm. The results indicates whether the package is validated successfully or have errors. Click Export to download logs as text or PDF. Click Import Package again to complete the process after validation. Click Browse and import the package from your local drive. Select Validate and apply if no errors exist, then click Execute since it has been validated earlier. Click Yes. The window shows that the import was successful. Go to Configure, then Cache Management. Click Remove all cache items to clear and refresh the cache. Now, navigate to Build Business Objects to view the imported items. Enter text BO, the name saved in the earlier tenant for business objects, then select it. Review the imported text fields for package transfer between the previous and current tenant. Now, let's explore how to import large packages. Navigate to Development Package and click Large Packages. To import packages of up to 30 megabytes, click Import Package and follow the steps as shown in the import package to complete the process. Keep these points in mind. Refer to the patch log errors in the documentation for issues. A timeout may occur when importing over 300 fields or 1 million records. If this happens, submit a service request or contact Avanti Operations. Avoid duplicate names to prevent conflicts with existing business objects in the new tenant. Thank you for watching. Try it now. For more help, visit Avanti Help Docs.